three of the tools I've decided we're gonna offer out of Lendisoft. One of the tools I'm going to show you today, which is the data miner product, but I do want to make you aware that we also have another tool, and you might find helpful, portfolio valuations tool. So basically what that tool does is you can feed it any data set, any segment of your portfolio, or any portfolio, and we have an automated process to kind of spit out a portfolio valuation. So if you were looking to sell one of your portfolios, or maybe you were looking to acquire a portfolio, you could get a data set. You could feed it into this tool, and it'll go ahead and give you sort of a value estimate of how much the tool believes that portfolio will spit out in dollars for the remaining term of that portfolio. So portfolio valuations is one tool we have. Like I said, it's kind of cool. So we're going to kind of package it up and sell it as a standalone. Data miner, I'm going to show you here in this demo. We're also packaging this up and selling it as a standalone, and this tool is really designed to help you very quickly flesh out your most powerful predictors, the best performing segments of your portfolio, the worst performing segments. For many years back at CPS, I was doing segmentation analysis and trying to figure out the best performing segments and such, but it was all very manual. Eventually, after a long time, I ended up automating a lot of that, and so it's a slick little automated tool, great time saver. So I'm excited to show you that one today. The other one that we have is a scorecard builder, and years ago, CPS, my prior employer, you hear me refer to them a lot. They sent me to the SAS Institute to learn how to build scorecard models using a best practice approach. It's a methodology taught by the SAS Institute. And basically what they do is they don't give you any tools. They basically teach you sort of the high level process. And so I ended up building my own tools to make it pretty quick to go ahead and build out a complete, machine trained scorecard, whether it's an application scorecard, behavioral scorecard for, collections, marketing scorecards, things like that. So I also have a process, that 15-step process that we go through to build these machine learning models. And in my prior consulting practice, I would train folks how to kind of go through this process and use my tools, the tools that I've developed that make this process quick and easy, come along for the ride. So we're also kind of packaging this into a scorecard builder product that you can license for a year at a time, and you get all the tools. I'm available to train and collaborate with, and that's kind of how you should look at any of these three products. Is they come along with the tools and some collaboration on how to use the tools, but they're really made for sort of making it easy and fast to build models, do portfolio valuations, data mine your loans, that kind of thing. So that's my high-level introduction of the three kind of risk management tools that we have. These are standalones that are separate from our normal product in the market right now, which is the loan management software.